First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. The Chernobyl nuclear disaster caused significant exposure to ionizing radiation, which led to increased mutation rates and genetic damage in animals, plants, and other organisms living in the exclusion zone. Research shows that many species in the Chernobyl area have experienced elevated rates of mutations, chromosomal aberrations, and DNA damage due to chronic radiation exposure over decades. These mutations resulted in physical deformities, developmental anomalies, and reduced reproductive success in some cases. However, despite the harmful genetic effects, some species have adapted to the radiation-contaminated environment. Certain populations of plants and animals show signs of evolving increased DNA repair capabilities, antioxidative defenses, and radiation tolerance, demonstrating resilience and natural selection under these extreme conditions. For example, some wild plants and Scots pine populations have stable growth and reproduction despite high radiation levels. Studies on Chernobyl feral dogs revealed genetic differences from nearby non-exposed dogs, suggesting rapid evolution or adaptation, although the extent to which radiation directly causes these mutations remains debated. In humans, studies on those exposed to the Chernobyl disaster found no evidence that radiation exposure caused heritable genetic mutations passed on to children. However, exposure did increase the risk of thyroid cancer, with tumors carrying DNA damage characteristic of radiation exposure. Overall, Chernobyl serves as a natural laboratory, illustrating both the mutagenic effects of ionizing radiation and the potential for evolutionary adaptation under chronic radiation stress. The interplay of mutation and adaptation continues to be a key focus of scientific research on the long-term biological effects of the Chernobyl disaster.